Hi, I'd like to just run you through a quick tutorial on using castlebranch. If you're already familiar with castlebranch and have all of your things uploaded and complete, you don't need to watch this video. But for those of you that are struggling a little bit, I'm here to help. I've logged into my castlebranch account. When you click the login, if you need to create a new account, you can do that. Make sure you use your MATC Gmail address. If you need to place an order, you can use those codes that were provided for you in the email from the Health Science Pathways. The code for the Dietetic Technician program is MF36. MF36. And what that's going to cover is your drug test, your medical record housing, and your criminal background. If you only need the drug test, for instance, then you would put in the code MF36DT, like as in drug test. Okay. And then once you put that code in, it will ask for payment. So you can put a debit or credit card in to pay for that. And then once you have that complete, you're going to see a to-do list. And I'm going to click on my to-do list here. I'm going to click the plus sign. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to just point you to this red writing here where you can access new videos to help you via castlebranch to complete what you need to complete. So I'm going to click on this plus button, and then all of the things that I'm required to complete pop up. Okay, so as you can see, I have all of my things complete. With the most recent thing that I uploaded was a tetanus shot that I just got completed over the summer. If you had things that needed to be completed, you'd see a red space here that says incomplete. You would click on the plus button for that incomplete, and then it would allow you a spot to upload your information from your provider. So for example, for the tetanus shot, I clicked on this plus button, and then I was able to upload my information from the doctor's office. So I'm just going to pull up what I showed here. This is from the provider, and as you can see, it's just going to list the immunization that I had complete. Okay, that's going to be placed into castlebranch, and I will complete. Now, one thing to keep in mind, if you were born after 1980 in Wisconsin, you'll have access to the Wisconsin Immunization Registry, or the WIR, and you can just contact your childhood medical provider for help with logging on, or you can try and go to that webpage. If you do access your WIR, it'll list all your immunizations and the dates. And a tip to help you that I know people got hung up in the past is you're going to go in for each requirement. Like, for instance, the MMR, the tetanus, the TB. You're going to go in for all of those and place that same document that shows that you have those immunizations complete. Once you have that done, you click on log out, and you can just check back on castlebranch to see that your things have been accepted. They typically require about 48 hours to go from incomplete to complete after you've submitted. Please keep in mind that they are quite particular about how you submit things. So if, for instance, you're submitting any of those forms that you received through your petitioning information, student ID number, your name, your last name, signature, everything needs to be complete. So sometimes it seems a little repetitive, but just make sure in all of those Word documents that you're completing everything. And I'm going to end there for this tutorial on castlebranch.